Alright, y'all, so I done had this Glock 20 10mm for a little minute now, and honestly, don't know what to do with it. Comment below, what should I do with it? I did stipple the frame. It's a pretty good stipple job. This is like my second or third ever stipple, but it's pretty good. What should I do with it? Get the slide cut, new trigger. But I really want to know, is there any like aftermarket barrels I can throw in this thing? Aftermarket ported barrels or comps, 30 barrels with the comps. Y'all know what y'all get what I'm trying to say. So comment below.